Hey friends, we are going to be unboxing the Lucid mattress, and this is a 10-inch Plush gel memory foam mattress, full size. I picked this stuff up off of Amazon. I think it's like 160 or something like that. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check these things out here. So basically, just gonna open this box up here. So this box is kind of heavy. Recommends a team lift. We're gonna do an there we go. Okay. So we have a do not disturb door sign here and room service. Okay. Alright, so warning to avoid danger. I think we just pull this out of here and throw it up on the bed there 1 second. Alright, so this comes with the little razor blade to open up the package too. So now I can't get into this. How do I get... That is no joke. That. Scoop this out here. Just throw it up on here like that, and then roll it possibly. Let's check out. What does it say? Nothing. Okay. So. Cut this bag off here with a handy dandy little cutter. Put this up here. Make sure we don't cut the mattress. Look at that, going through butter. Okay. Ooh, it's big. I think. Sides up. Alright, which side's up here? Let's see, so this probably is the downside, I'm guessing. Let's see. Okay, so what's this thing called? Lucid, so let me flip it over. Maybe this side down.
Inside.
That's it. Oh, it's like wrestling somebody here. It's got me. Okay. Alright. Get it on here. Yeah, I think this mattress is okay to be just on the slats here. Okay, so now we got positioned correctly. Yeah. Now I'm just going to use a little cutter. Go through this here. Oh boy, I just cut through the mattress tag. Oh, that wasn't close enough? Okay. Alright, give this a little room here. There we go. I'm going to cut down the middle here. Oh, it's expanding! It's mattress. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, there it is. How's that looking? Pretty nice. And usually says they want to have it set for about 48 hours, I think. Doesn't really have any odor or anything. Feels pretty good. All right, so I think with these, you can put it on a flat wood thing if you want to, but the slats are okay. I think these have enough, not too much of a gap in them where it's got enough support for the mattress. So there it is. This is the Lucid mattress, the 10-inch plus plush gel memory foam mattress. So I guess it's going to sit for about 48 hours to fully rise, and then we can do. I already got it. And a review on it. So that's how you kind of set it up. It's probably easier with two people. If you don't want to manhandle it, it probably weighs close to 50, 60 pounds maybe. So nice looking mattress. So far it feels fairly comfortable. This is pretty soft. It feels really soft there. So thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be putting up a video on the review when it's fully expanded and everything. So everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.